Hey Shiba Army, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys have had a great day. Now I know the entire market is in the red as well as Shiba Inu. So let's take a look at the charts right now guys. Let's get right into the video. So here's Shiba Inu trading at 7523, volume up about 22%, 370 million, market cap 2.9 million. So coming down to just over 5%. Positive side guys, we can see that our holders have grown quite a bit here, so 589,000. so last update we were in that 585,000, so a little over 4,000 new holders. We are still gaining traction day by day, which is phenomenal in my opinion. Taking a look at the 1-day chart, we can see we are in a downtrend, nothing but red. Look, we're going down, just down. Had this little bottom here earlier today, I believe, as you can see around 4 o'clock, getting in the 7.3 range. So going over the high and low of the day, you can see 7.33 and the high of 7.99. So we almost broke out into the 8s. Taking a look at the 7-day, also completely in a downtrend. Generally, we've been up in the 7-day over the 14-day. Sometimes, we're down in the 1-day, but still the 7 or 14-day will look pretty good. But as you can see, 7-day still in the red. Now, taking a look at the global crypto market, we can see we're down almost 4% in the last 24 hours, being in that 1.37 trillion range. Everything down. Bitcoin almost 4% down in the 33,000 range. Ethereum down almost 6%, looking that it might break that 2,000 support and get back into like the 1,900 range. Hopefully not, but still a really great opportunity to buy more. A couple of weeks back when we broke the 2,000, I actually ended up picking up more Ethereum, but then over the weekend I swapped the entire Ethereum that I purchased for more SHIB, actually using Shiba Swap to do so. So I used the swap feature, and then I took all the SHIB that I got from my Ethereum and then buried it all, 100% of it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing those rewards in the next week or so. Dogecoin really close to breaking the 20-cent support and getting into the teens. I think we're going to see 19 cents overnight or really shortly. As you can see, almost down 5% in the last 24 hours. And guys, just as a reminder, please consider subscribing to the channel, turning on post notifications, and dropping a like on the video. And of course, guys, as an affiliate with Webull, get your 2 free stocks today. Sign up for Webull, link in the description below. Deposit at least $5. So all you can do is deposit $5. You're gonna get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300. Free money, great platform. Gotta check it out, guys. Now, this is kind of strange. Now, I know the market's in the red. However, Leash has been in the green for the last few days, even though the entire crypto market has been going red. But look at it, all of a sudden now, Leash has finally come into the red, down about 9% in the last 24 hours, 8.4% to be exact, coming in at $2,310. Volume up by 40% almost. 4.3 million. Now earlier today I was recording a video and the volume was up almost 300%. It was like 299 point something percent. So pretty crazy. A lot of movement on Leash, a lot of people trying to get into it. So now that the price is coming down a little, maybe a time to get in. Not financial advice, of course. Looking at the 1-day, you can see that it almost looked like it was heading north to do a nice rally. See here down at the 25, kind of going up, getting up to this high of the last 24 hours, which we see here is almost 2,700, 2,689, and then just came down around 6 in the morning. So we always see these weird pops around 3 to 4 in the morning or 6 to 7 in the morning. All these weird pops or drops. So here we had a drop, and it's kind of been going down ever since, doing some consolidation here. So waiting to see what its next move will be. I believe it's going to follow suit of the crypto market. I mean, it had some nice hype, had some good momentum, but now I think that's going to wear off. And because the crypto market's going in such a bearish trend, it's going to follow suit and be like the rest of all these coins, and especially Shiba Inu. Now guys, by now you probably heard about the Certik Score as well as the Skynet report. I did include all this information in my earlier video today, so please check it out if you haven't already. But just to recap, we were given a score of 92 for our security score, which is really high in my opinion. Obviously, it's out of 100. So seeing a 92 is pretty great in my eyes. Remember, we had those 34 findings, all of which have been resolved except for one of these minor findings, which actually was partially resolved. And then onto the Skynet section, I'll just look at it very quickly as it's in the other video. So you can see static analysis 98, on-chain monitoring 93, social settlement 88, a little lower there, governance and autonomy 94, market volatility 100, And then the safety assessment was just given good based on 20 safety and hazard evaluations with a score of 87. Now scrolling down to the bottom, I just want to take a look at the safety section here. So as you can see, guys, looking pretty decently. Security for decentralization scored a little low here, 3 out of 5, as well as for under a general tab, insurance and protection, similar, 3 out of 5. And then if we go here for testing, source code quality was a 3 out of 5. And the rest looks perfect on my book. See, I can see 5 out of 5. Everything has 5 out of 5. So that's all great, guys. Now, if you want, definitely take a look at this. Go through it. Read all this. You can read what all these headings are, what these categories actually mean. So all around here, go through all that information. Make sure you understand it. And of course, if you haven't already, take a look at the PDF for the audit report, and you can go through in detail all these findings, right? All 34, even though they've all been resolved except for one, or now it's partially resolved. Definitely go take a look at it. It's very educational. So with the release of Shiba Swap, the Certik audit, the Certik Shield, as well as the Skynet report, so much has been out for Shiba Inu. Now we're still in the red. Obviously the global crypto market is in the red as well. We're going to follow suit. So nothing we can do about that. So fundamentally nothing has changed in the negative turn for Shiba or Shiba Swap. So that is all great. However, we still have some upcoming catalysts as well. We still have the listing for Coinbase Pro. That could happen anytime this week. I'm thinking it's going to happen within the next couple weeks, which will lead to Coinbase listing it, as well as we have Webull, Robinhood, eToro, and I'm pretty certain in between all of those, or by the time all of those catalysts come into fruition, if they all decide to list Shiba Inu, we will probably have more catalysts along the way. So I've been getting a lot of messages recently regarding gas fees and the really high gas fees associated with Shiba Swap because of Ethereum. Now, I found a great post on Reddit here that kind of goes through this to give a better understanding about the gas fees. So here we go. It's tip of the day number 8. So understanding how gas fees work. For those of you who do not understand a gas fee is a fee that is charged to us when we send an order into Shiba Swap. This gas fee is not paid to Shiba Swap. Instead, it is paid to the miners who are running the hardware to confirm the validity of our tokens when we send them to a pool or to another person or swap them. In times of high congestion on the Ethereum blockchain network, that is when we see high fees and lots of dropped orders that cause us to lose our Ethereum payments in gas. It is always best to try and send orders down on downtimes, aka when not much is happening, and when we can all save money that way, knowing the fees are less and also the orders have a higher potential for confirming sooner instead of dropping. I use Etherscan to find my best times to send orders. When the site loads, I click on more, drop down arrow, and click gas tracker. This will bring up a screen that shows the GUI number the more congested the blockchain network is at that time. I hope this helps us save money. Here we are on etherscan.io, and I'm going to show you guys where to find out about these gas fees as it's stated in the article. So here we're on the main page. All you have to do is click right up here where it says more, scroll over to explore here, and then right under you can see gas tracker. So really simple, guys. Come here, you're going to find out your information. So this will change all the time. You have your bar graph here because of the time of the transaction, right? So right now, currently low would be at 22 GUI. You can see the miner charge would be about 94 cents, and it's going to take approximately 10 minutes, 53 seconds. Then on an average fee, gas fee, it's going to be 29 GUI, $1.07, and it's going to be about 7 minutes. So you're saving over 3 minutes here, almost 4 minutes, but you do got to pay a little more. You only got to pay about 13 cents, right? And then high would be 33 GUI, which can be $1.20, 4 minutes, so it's super fast. So as you can see, if you go a little on the cheap side and go low, you're going to pay less, but it's going to take longer as well. If you pay the fastest, you're going to pay a little higher. Now, this does kind of bring up questions about failed transactions. Actually, on the weekend when I swapped my Ethereum for SHIB, I actually failed my first transaction, so I did have to pay the gas fee for doing nothing, right? Getting nothing done. I got nothing in return, had to resubmit. Luckily, the second time it went through flawlessly. The gas fee was actually a little cheaper, so that was pretty decent, so I wasn't so upset about that. Now, if you're looking for more information on gas fees and all this information, like who gets the gas fee in a failed transaction, because obviously the miners get all the fees, so you can go here on ethereum.org and you can find this information sheet here, gas and fees. I'll leave this link in the description below. You can go check it out and you can go through all this information from nice flow charts and diagrams so that you can see what is the fee, why can the fees get so high. So really great information, a couple of videos as well. So check that out if you have some time, if you need a better understanding on gas fees in Gwei. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you got some value out of this video. I hope you got some entertainment, as of course, it's not financial advice. This is just strictly for entertainment purposes. Of course, please consider subscribing, turning on post notifications, dropping a like on the video. And of course, guys, if you want some free money, if you want some free stocks, or you're just looking for a brand new broker, sign up for Webull with my link down below. Deposit $5 and you'll get those 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $2,300. And stay on the lookout, guys. We could hear some exciting news from either Coinbase Pro, Webull, Robinhood, eToro this week. eToro's been doing a lot of trolling, a lot of teasing in their Twitter page. Go check them out if you haven't already. All right, guys, thank you once again for all your support. As always, happy trading, happy investing, and I will see you all in the next video.